What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to take a look at Gala. It's reacting to our target zone. Crypto.com changed up their layout here. We'll work with it. So we're sitting at 0.01502 in the last 24 hours, up 4.96 on the day. Seeing market cap 693 million. 24-hour volume is 77 million. So let's hop into the chart. As you can see, it came right down into our target zone from our last video. We're starting to bounce. So let's see if we can put a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Obviously, it's a bit early to tell, but you have a left shoulder ahead and potentially come up and create a right shoulder. And then if we can break out and start to break this level of resistance, this major resistance here at about 0.01882, then we're good to go for continuation for Gala Games. If we take a look at the daily chart, we may just be seeing a little bit of a fake out to the downside, but we need to get back above the daily EMAs, push back up into this pattern. If we come up and reject, then it's all doom and gloom, but we have entered up October as they like to call it. Usually a very bullish month. Q4 is usually very bullish during the bull market in the last year of the cycle. So we'll have to see how it plays out, but as of right now, nice reaction to our target zone. We're looking for about 20 to 60 cents in the bull market. We'll have to see how it plays out. We are in a trade for Giga right now. If you want access to my trade signals for free, take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached, one of the top exchanges. Check out my tutorial on how to use the platform. It's tagged at the end of the video. Once you sign up, send me an email. That's it. No strings attached. I'll send you the link. It includes my daily crypto analysis. This is my crypto Discord for all your favorite projects, including our friend Gala Games, as well as my trade setups, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours free with the 30-second sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. Send me an email. Almost 3,000 members in the group. All links down below. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.